Noticed all the solar panels appearing on roofs near you and thought, what do they know that I don't? Do those things really reduce your bills that much? Well, believe me, your neighbour with those panels, they're not moaning about energy bills anymore. There's a lot of outdated myths about solar, but the truth? Modern solar panels, when combined with the latest battery systems, can dramatically reduce or even eliminate your reliance on the energy companies altogether. That means far less exposure to rising energy prices and far more control over your household costs. The reason you don't hear much about this is simple. Energy companies don't benefit when homeowners generate and store their own power. This is why we created the Solar Panel Funding Checker. In under 60 seconds, you can see what you may qualify for and how much you could realistically save based on your home size and location. Don't keep overpaying for energy. Click the link and check your eligibility right now.